Vivajana Bahana, Bhavana Bahana, 4 points. So, according to Pratana, proximate cause is similar to Pratanahara, searching for Pratana in this way. So, Vivajana means like a Vivajana explanation with the connotations with the explain, like a Dhammasangani Pali with the connotations, presentations of like a Pada, Paso, Pasa, Paso, Pusana, Pusitata, Sampusana, Sampusitata, in this way. So with the connotations. Then there is a Vivajana Samaropana. Samaropana is a Padatana Samaropana. Vivajana Samaropana. The Bhavana Samaropana means must be developed. The Dhamma should be developed. This is Bhavana, regarding to Bhavana. For example, regarding to Satipatthana, Kaya Kaya Nupasi Verati Adabi Samajano Satima Viniya Loki Aveja Domanasa. The Buddha said, one dwelt contemplation of the body and the body, ardently comprehension into the mindfulness, removing craving and creep. So in that case, Atabi with described viriya. It is described panya. Whether the word satima is described sati. Viniya loki becha craving and creep in the wall. By this was is referred to samadhi. Referred to samadhi. In this way, here, viriya, panya, sati, samadhi. Viriya, panya, samadhi. So, by those who dwelled with the contemplations of the body and the body, accordingly, full satipatthana, full foundations of mindfulness, fulfilled, become fulfilled. Then when full foundations of mindfulness feel, there is a full faculties. Full faculties, viriya indriya, panya indriya, sati indriya, samadhi indriya. These four mental faculties come into being. So regarding to it, then etipada, indriya, other dhammas, pochanga, paribhakya dhammas, which are similar to characteristic, they become developed. Is called bhavana smaropana. You want to say it? This is a test, according to test. In this way, explanation. That is a bhavana smaropana. Bahana smaropana means one who dwelled contemplating the body and the body. He can remove asubhe of because of kaya nupassana to already eradicate asubhe subha vipanlasa. Asubhe subha vipanlasa. By means of kaya nupassana, contemplations of the body, you can realize the Kavalikara Ahara also. Kavalikara Ahara. Because of this is dealing with Kaya. Kavalikara Aharas can be realized. If